What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now in display and brightness, if you have switched to dark mode, then switch back to light mode to fix the dimming issue. So dark mode may cause the screen dimming issue or other issues, so always switch to the light mode. And if you have enabled auto brightness, it can also cause the screen dimming issue, so turn off this auto brightness button. After these settings, if you are still facing the issue of the screen dimming, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button, swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, it will fix your screen dimming issue. So that's how you can fix screen dimming issue in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.